To another episode of Make Me Over, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do this summer-inspired look. So basically, summer is all about contouring using bronzer, highlighter, thick eyebrows, and of course bold lip colors like the one I'm using right now. So if you want to know more about this summer-inspired tutorial, come and watch the following steps I'm gonna show you. Okay, so first step is applying the primer to make the makeup last longer. So just a few pumps of this primer will do, and spread it evenly onto your face. Up next is the foundation. I am using a baby doll foundation, and this is actually very lightweight and it controls the oil, so hindi ka magmumukhang oily pag gamit mo itong foundation na to. Actually, there are also a lot of parang concealer creams out there in the market na medyo mura rin naman, na pwede nyo rin gamitin kasi kung day look rin lang naman ang hanap nyo, hindi naman kailangang mag-wear ng heavy makeup. Is application of concealer. So you have to put some under the eye. Kaya kailangan nating takpan itong mga dark circles. Blend them evenly. And now set with loose powder para hindi magmukhang oily ang face. So apply it evenly sa mukha. Next is I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. This summer, actually the look that's very suitable is thicker eyebrows and bold lip color. Kaya nga ito, ngayon kakapalan natin yung eyebrows natin. Kasi actually it's one of the trends, one of the hottest trends lately. And the thicker the eyebrows kasi mas nagmumukha ring bata. So kailangan kapalan. All you have to do is just follow the natural contour of your eyebrows. And kung hindi kayo satisfied, pwede nyo pa namang dagdagan. Next is brush. So you have to at least blend the eyebrow pencil that you've put sa eyebrow. So blend using a brush para hindi masyadong magmukhang stiff at hard yung linagay nating eyebrow pencil. Next is I'm gonna apply the eye primer to make my eyeshadow last longer. So napanood nyo naman sa mga previous tutorials ko kung wala kayong eye primer because it's also very, very expensive. You can do your homemade eye primer out of the foundation, the concealers, and the body butter that you have at home. Okay, so now we're gonna put some warm colors in our eyes kasi syempre summer siya. So ang gagamitin natin is basically mga neutrals lang, mga light beige, mga light brown, at saka mix it with a little bit of darker na brown then if you want. So yun ang magiging magiging palette natin because it's summer. But if you also want to use brighter colors sa mata, pwede rin, pero mas magiging light na yung lips. But today, dito sa aking tutorial, gagawin ko nga is brighter yung color ng lipstick ko. So dapat mas stained and lighter ng konti yung nandito sa mata ko. So I'm gonna apply the base. You can also use your fingers. Pwedeng kahit fingers na lang. Next is papatuman ko siya ng medyo bronze na color. Okay, so up next is now I'm gonna apply the warmer shades of brown at the corner of my eye. Nalagyan ko ng konting shade of brown. Up next is this eyeliner. Ilalagay na natin siya on top of her dito sa ating lashes, sa may lash line. So careful lang sa paglalagay. If it smudges away, okay lang because we're also aiming for a sexy smudge or a sexy smoky effect. Okay, and also put eyeliner sa my lower lash line. it's time for our bronzer. This will complete the summer look because it's actually, diba, pag summer talaga usually medyo nagtatan ng mga tao. So, magko-contour tayo gamit ng bronzer. So, you can suck in your cheeks or just leave it that way pag alam niyo naman kung saan niyo i-contour. Okay, and syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang ating blush. Put them on the apples of your cheeks, kaya dito siya sa cheekbones pag nag-smile. That's basically where you're gonna put the blush. And of course, our look won't be complete if wala tayong highlighting powder. The highlighting powder will put some shimmering effect on the face. So, lagay natin siya dito sa may dulo ng cheekbones din. Exactly where you put your blush. And a little bit higher. Go up higher dito sa may apples of the cheeks. If wala kayong highlighter, you can also use a shimmering eyeshadow as a highlighter. Kaya, pwede ninyong gamitin yung mga medyo makikintab ninyong mga eyeshadow for highlighting. Because, ang highlighter naman ay kailangan punong-puno ng shimmer and glitters. So, yun yun. And now, I'm gonna curl my lashes and get them ready for mascara. Now it's time for our mascara. Now, my look is almost over and complete, but of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ng bold lip color. You know, this summer talaga, ang statement talaga is thick eyebrows and a bold lip color. Kaya I'm choosing my favorite shade as of the moment, which is orange. And eto na nga ang aking mga pinaka-favorite na shade. So, finish it off with a bright lip color. You could use red, pink, or any other shade basta maliwanag na kulay ng lip color. And now our look is complete. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the summer look. Hope you girls enjoyed it. Till next time, bye! Our featured Make Me Over this week. I hope you enjoyed that. Ngayon naman dumako tayo sa ating
Celebrity Corner na kung saan makapanayam natin ang host na si Mr. Mark Nelson.
Let's get an update on one of the most in-demand endorsers and eligible bachelors in local Tinseltown. Panuorin po natin ito.
One of the most eligible bachelor in local Tinseltown. Smart, talented, hot, and one of the most in-demand hosts in Philippine TV is none other than Mark Nelson. Nag-umpisang magkapangalan sa mundo ng showbiz si Mark sa pamamagitan ng musical dance program na Keep on Dancing, kung saan naging co-host ng dating beauty queen na si Charlene Gonzalez. Simula noon, naging visible na to mapa-TV man or endorsement. Sa ngayon, abala ito sa kanyang sports program na Sports Unlimited.
Well, Sports Unlimited is always up and running, and we've been going on, I think this is our 14th or 15th year now. I'm also building a small kitesurfing resort near Boracay, and of course busy with my endorsements, and I have a new regional show coming out probably in the next few months.
Matagal na rin itong nag-host sa naturang programa. Ano kayang nararamdaman niya na umabot ng 16 na taon ang kanyang hosting stint?
For many years, it feels great. I love the fact that the show has been running for so long, that every year we keep getting awarded Best Sports Show by different award-giving bodies, and fingers crossed will last for another 14 or 15 years.
Nakita na natin kung paano ipinamala si Mark ang kanyang galing sa hosting. May plano rin kaya siyang sumabak sa acting?
You know what? I've got so many friends that are phenomenal actors, and I'll leave that industry to them. I'll stick to the hosting for now and getting to do all the fun stuff like jumping out of buildings and out of planes.
At alam niyo ba kung anong sport ang pinagkakaabalahan ni Mark ngayon?
Very much active in kiteboarding. So kite surfing, and I've heard that Vegan has a couple of wonderful spots that they're going to try and promote. So I'm going to be here before the big rush gets in and try and check them out for myself.
Alamin rin natin kung ano ang plano niya this summer.
This year, I'll be doing a lot of traveling, obviously, for Sports Unlimited. I'll be going back and forth to check up on my construction of my kiteboarding resort and hopefully do a few trips overseas as well, if time allows it. My mother's visiting me at the moment from Australia, so I'm very, very happy to be touring her around at the same time.
Kumustahin rin natin ang pagbisita ni Mark dito sa Ilocos.
6 or 7 years. This is my first time back since then, and I'm very happy to be back. Of course, I'm very happy to be hosting the pageant this evening, and I'm staying for a couple of extra days to check out the city and also check out some new kiteboarding spots that I've heard are very popular here.
At nang matanong kung kumusta ang kanyang love life, ito ang kanyang masasabi.
It's doing alright.
At para sa kanyang mamasugid na tagahanga, narito ang kanyang mensahe.
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch Sports Unlimited on ABS-CBN on Saturday night, replays on ANC on Sundays. Check it out and hopefully you have a good time. Hi, this is Mark Nelson and it's more fun here on Core TV.